This 2023 A-Liner LXE is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your sofa, which can be folded into an 80 by 76 inch bed. Next to this is your kitchen, with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, a convection microwave, and a mini fridge. Across from this is your wet bath shower and toilet. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.